Hey guys, I see people do a lab tour all the time, so I thought I'll do one too. Probably more for myself. Someday I'll look back and see how the lab looked like right now in 2017. So these are some of my projects, my previous projects. You may recognize some of them. What I plan on doing is I have dedicated a couple shelves here that I still need to put up, such that they could be all displayed nicely. These are my 3D prints. That's just the LED cube from way back when. You guys probably never seen that robot arm. It's a kit that I built that I've added motors and hook it up to the Arduino. This was my idea that people were really against because this is foam core, and I just thought it would be cool to just put a whole bunch of parts in there so I don't have to look for them. But people say it's really bad. This is my work area. It used to be like this, just one table. But since then, I've added another table for the 3D printer and two more tables over here for more workspace. I arranged my workspace such that I can work well. So a laptop on the left side and whatever I'm working on the right side. So all the tools are handy right here. I divide my tools into two parts. These are what I call twos. So these have like pliers, cable strippers. Those are singles like file and screwdrivers. If it has just one thing that you hold, it goes there. If you have two things that you hold, it goes here. I got an outlet in here so I don't have to dig anywhere. So whenever I need an outlet, it's right there on the desk. And so these are the things that I use a lot. Arduinos, of course. Breadboards. I got two shelves for breadboards. Yeah, let's take a look at these. As some of you know, I really love nanos, so these are unopened nanos. And these are my jumper wires. So I arrange them such that one is like a length of one, two is the length of two, twice as long as that one, and three and four and so forth. So I could just easily pick whatever length I want. So let's open one of those. So you could see these are all of what I call length of one. So they're the shortest one I have. I'm pretty happy with the way I arrange these resistors. No matter what value I need to pick, I can easily find them in here. Capacitors, I don't have that many values, so they're in two drawers. One for the electrolytic and the other one is for any other kinds. You can get 10 of these for $1. So I made a little shelf out of foam cord. These are my toys that I never play with anymore. So there's stuff like Legos. I got an Amiga back there with a CRT. And this is a dot matrix printer. I won that as a contest, and that was how I got my first job. I won a programming contest in a local store here. Let's see what else. There's my 3D printer. Probably like 2 years old now. One of my friends told me to try out Octopi. It is awesome. So that little Pi is connected to this wire here to the printer. And then so the whole thing is controlling the webcam. So you can actually see the printer remotely. It does all the slicing, heat, and everything. So pretty awesome. Yeah, I was watching Fusion 360 video tutorials. Don't remember what this material is, but I've been using it to cut stuff. And it's really handy because then you don't have to like get out your cutting mat and all that stuff. Just cut it right there and then. Let's see. Oh, here's something interesting. I have a bag called Purgatory. These are things that I should be throwing away, but I haven't yet. It's like maybe I'll repair it or maybe I'll take parts of it, but I never do. So if I don't miss it within like a month, that's going away. And this is my current project. It's a wall chest. As you can see, instead of playing it on a surface like this, I want it to be placed on a wall, and then there will be a robot arm like this that will pick it up and move it around. So that's why I'm learning Fusion 360, because I want to 3D print a lot of these parts. This is just a visualization. Eventually, I will make this out of wood, like two different wood tone. This is just to see the proportion. Helps me visualize the whole thing. I think that's it. Oh, I forgot to say one thing. I really like these. You guys should get these. They're only like $1 each. I can afford so many of them. So anything from different kinds of jumper wires, different kinds of displays. There's a special place for just LEDs versus 7 segments. Even though they are related, they have their own boxes. So Oh, and I forgot about this one too. You know how you always hunt down for just the right type of USB cable? I got drawers for every kind. I got the micro, the mini, the type B, and the power adapters by voltage. So when you're looking for stuff, you don't have to look. I would also be interested in seeing your lab. So put a comment with a link to your video or your photos, and that'd be kind of fun to see each other's labs. I think that's it. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.